All right, so here's how I did the original, the updating of the location. I genreify mine in Destiny by showing locations so that the kids, or sub-location rather, so that the kids know what genre it's in, and then I do one more thing. So I will go into catalog to update copies to individual update. And the nice thing about every time you scan something, it will also, begin in inventory. So let me just go ahead with back office. You'll hit inventory, and then you will say start new, and then you're going to go in with there. Ooh, I need to do my other thing. So anyway, so catalog. I'm going to update copies. Whoops, update titles. Oh, update copies, sorry, and then I'm going to go to individual update, and I'm going to go sublocation. Okay, so my updating, I'm going to go to, for example, if I'm going to go to my action adventure, I'm going to scan every single one in that section to action adventure. Scan, 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 scan. So if I go over here, for example, this, and then you see how it's gone in and it's changing every single one to its self location. So I'll just go through and I'll go to action adventure every single time. All right, if I want to, I can scan it a second time and I'll show you what I do with this. So you see that when I scanned one of the ones that I looked at, it has the sublocation already done on there. The other thing that I do is I add action adventure as the sub one. Now I did this a lot easier, and I will find out the way that I did that and let you know in just a second. Now, I did not do this because I wanted to keep my fiction, in fiction. I didn't want to do my inventory through genreification. But if you wanted to, you could click over here and go to, still update copies, catalog, global update, and you'd say with the sublocation, action adventure, okay? And then make the call, if you wanted to make the prefix. I will show you that mine is, I put mine at the end. So what I did was I would go edit, and I don't know, I think I did another thing with this, and I just copied and pasted AA on each one. I don't know why. I don't know how I did the ending of it, but I know I did it. I know I did it. There was another way that I did it. Anyway, but that should take care of your inventory as well as sublocation. So you only have to scan it once. So it might be easier for you once you have a section done to go through, because this edit will stay up. So once you scan it, you can go edit AA, edit AA, edit AA. AA is the only one that I don't write out. I put super instead of supernatural because if I put a three-letter code on the end of it, I find that they're getting confused. Dystopian, I still have some that are DYS, and but I'm switching them out. So Dyst or Dystope, or you can really just write out. Since it's a copy-paste situation, you can do that as well. Good luck. Holler if you need anything else.